Hey friends, welcome to Living It Country. Today my husband's going to build some DIY shelves for the right side of our fireplace. If you guys missed us building the fireplace, make sure you guys check that out in the description box below. And then we're going to be doing some trial and error decorating, and I'm going to be just shopping my home today. No new decor. So if that sounds good, let's get started. The past few days in the Pacific Northwest, it has been snowing and we have had so much fun playing outside as well as drinking cocoa and accomplishing some DIY projects to end off the day while we're all at home together before my husband starts the landscaping season again. And today my hubby is making some DIY shelves for the right side of our fireplace. If you guys need to get catched up, make sure you guys check out my description box where I'll have all of the videos to kind of how we're bringing our living room together, which has been so fun to share with you guys. So right here, my husband has 1x12 pieces of wood from Home Depot, and he is cutting the edges at a 45-degree angle so that we can not only stack 2 pieces of wood on here and give it like a fine finish, if that makes sense, with a 1x3 piece of wood. And for the 1x3 pieces of wood, you guys can see right in the middle of the screen right here, he cut both ends at a 45-degree angle, so that way when you stack 2 of them, it gives it a really seamless look and it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited about these shelves, and I'm really excited because I have been dying to style this area of our home, and it was kind of difficult because our ceilings are 22 feet high and it just seemed like such a boring wall. So the fireplace and then the shelves is just gonna finish off this look, and I'm so excited. We go back to your bed. Okay, this is with the aged barrel stained, which we use for all of our projects. We use these for our beams, our shelves in our master closet, our master bathroom, pantry, everywhere that we've done. We've stained it with this type of stain. So these are going to go to the left and right. Which one are we focusing on first? The left side or the right side of the fireplace?
The right side.
The right side of the fireplace.
Because the left side are going to be more built-ins because there's no edges, so I have to do this on that one because it reveals the edge.
I really like how it's curved a little bit. Looks really nice. So I'm going to take you guys inside. I'm going to share with you the things from Home Depot that actually bolted into the wall. So.
Oh, the bracket?
Yeah, the brackets, which is. Oh, they're in here?
It's right there between all those red things.
Between the red things.
It's like a long metal rod, straight down.
Straight down?
See all those roll bits? It's like
right
a
here?
long, skinny thing.
Oh, it's right in front of me. So this right here. This screws into the wall, into the stud. And then there's gonna be like a, would you call it a pocket hole, right? And this goes right into it. This is it.
Yeah.
If you guys watch our Farmhouse Decorate with me, which I'll link down below, we did some shelves in our dining room area as well as kitchen. And it was like a Home Depot kit for white shelves. And they had those in it, but this is like something you can just buy individually. How much were these a piece?
$5 something.
Down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
If I slip them on right here,
okay,
I have to push it over instead.
This is what it's gonna look like from this angle. That's awesome.
Oh, baby.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down.
Now hubby is just trying to find where the studs are, and one thing we made a boo-boo with was, if you guys watch our DIY board and batten video, which is on the far left, so if you're looking at the fireplace right now with me, to the left of it we have a board and batten wall, and when we put in the bottom shelf for what you guys are going to watch right now, we didn't figure out how it was going to look on the left side, and so now we're going to end up having to take this out because it hits the board and batten wall on the other side, and we don't want to have each side of it different levels of the shelves. We want them to look, you know, leveled, because there's 3 shelves on one side, 3 shelves on the other, so you guys might see some things tweaked in a future video. We just weren't thinking ahead with this, so that was one mistake that we did do, and we didn't catch it until last night. Now when it comes to the left side of our shelves, we are not going to be using these brackets again, the ones that we talked about a little bit ago, because we have a wall on each side. So I think that we might be sharing a little bit of a different video for that, which I am really, really excited about. I'm so excited to style both of these areas, and in today's video, in a little bit, I'm actually going to show how I styled this area, and I feel like it's going to be very, it's going to be a temporary kind of thing. I wanted to get decor up there from our home and decorate it, but I did take a few pieces from other rooms, and I do like them in those rooms because now, like, my office and my bedroom have pieces that don't look styled anymore. But if you're like me, you get really, really antsy-pantsy and excited about a new space, and you just want to decorate it. So here's the finished look, and we're going to start decorating away. Who's ready? Now here we go with our trial and error decorating, and if you guys remember a few weeks ago when I shared my first trial and error series, a lot of you commented, which I was so appreciative of, about all the channels that you love that decorate and then undecorate and decorate. I so appreciate that. I definitely didn't mean that I invented trial and error decorating. I meant like the title. A lot of YouTubers like to start different series with titles, and then other people do those, and then it's just a fun way to just start a new thing. Like, for instance, maybe like epic clean with me's, and then everybody does those, or like time-lapse clean with me's. I definitely don't take credit for inventing decorating and undecorating, but you guys were so sweet and gave your suggestions of awesome YouTubers that I absolutely adore too, like Decorate with Dana and Traditions by the Season, Liz. I love those ladies. I love watching them, and maybe them too will do some trial and error decorating titled videos. I think that would be so cool to start this and have other people do that too. I just think it's so much fun. Now you guys see the corbels on the top. I do have blue tape on those with nails coming out because they actually were in our entryway where our DIY beams are, and we had those hanging from the wall. And my hubby was like, they don't look like they're supposed to be there. Should we make a beam? And I was like, yeah, love that idea. So we did that about a year ago. I'll link that in the description box below. So I do have to cut off those nails in those corbels, but I just thought they were so cute up there, and I really, really like them. Those are from Antique Farmhouse. That is like my go-to place for home decor. I seriously love that shop so much, so much. Antique Farmhouse decor steals, and then small businesses, like you can see my weathered wood home signs or frames, and then my Walls of Wisdom canvas. I love shopping small shops too, so very much.
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Okay, friends, this is the final reveal of our decorating. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and coming along with us as we not only just decorate our home, but DIY our home and just make our house a home. I hope this can inspire you guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you guys later on Living It Country. Bye.
But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel